Hey everybody, I'm back today. Give everybody an update. Tell everybody most Happy New Year. Hope you all had a great Christmas and holiday. I'm back out here at the Jeep course. Got pretty much hammered during the hurricane. So you can see we got a lot of trees down and some debris pretty much all over the place. This is where the wife got stuck, almost ended up smoked her clutch, but it's kind of washed away. And our little mud hole right here, it's kind of washed away too. We had a lot of rain. We didn't have it as bad as some people did, but we got a lot of rain here, kind of washed away everything. Really haven't had time to come out here and end up clean nothing up yet. But I'm going to be starting here the next a couple of weeks, so it's really not that bad. Just got a bunch of stuff to pick up and you clean up, and finding more trees that are probably need to come down before next storm season. So I'll probably be doing that next few months. But in the meantime, let's go back to the shop and see what I can get into. Okay, so I'm back at the shop. Today we're gonna go off and work on the wife's Jeep. So what we're gonna do today is she wants a phone mount for her Jeep, and I picked up this bulletproof phone mount. What? Do you approve or not? So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is what we got. Sorry, Mike, I'm gonna have to go off and put you on sound. This is our Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. This is what we got in the box. Little stickers. And this is what we got right here. You have your phone holder, all your hardware, little keychain, miscellaneous junk. They even give you the tools for it. Little antenna mount and your mounting arm. All this stuff is not made out of plastic. It's pretty much end up heavy duty. This is supposed to be carbon fiber, but seems like it's made out of end up milled aluminum. So everything's end up pretty heavy duty. So I mounted one of these in her old Jeep, and I have one of these in my TJ. So or in the LJ. So pretty much that's what we have. So let's go put it in her Jeep. So she has bought a brand new Jeep. Well, it's still old. It's a 2023 Jeep Rubicon. Pretty much the same thing as the other one. The other one was 22 Willys. This one here is it is the Rubicon, so you have the better axles and gear ratio and transfer case, plus all of the little special electronic stuff that can go wrong at inopportune moment. So let's get started. Okay, step one: remove ducks. Ducks gotta go. Turtle duck, patriot duck, chicken duck. Imagine that. Big mega duck, little ducks, pink ducks, all them ducks. All right, so we got all those out. We gotta move this rubber tray out of here. There's a piece of rubber in here. Have to pop out. If I can get to it. Kind of hard to see. There we go. All right, a little bit of persuasion, and there should be some Phillips screwdrivers or Phillips heads on the sides here. So we got these. So we got to take those screws out. So let's go get a screwdriver. You can use a screwdrivers that they give you, which that's what we're going to do. And they seem to work. And that's the screw. Save the hardware. I think that's the only spot that has a screw, or is there one here? There might be one there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get a camera up here, guys, so bear with me. Alright, so you got your screw. Let's grab the mounting. Now this thing here, it'll go on both sides, so you can put it on either side, whichever way that you want. Right, so since we're going to put it on this side here, we're going to put it right there, and then basically pretty simple, set it right there, peel off the double-sided tape, like so, and just stick it back up in there. Then you put your screw back in. And like so. Okay. And the base is mounted. Now, if you want to put your piece of rubber back in, you can always trim it to fit. It's up to you. I'll put it in the right way. So you can take it and just get a razor blade, trim that off, and throw this piece away. That's probably what I'll do. I'll probably take this piece and just trim it right here, and then I can stick it on so that she can have everything. So have her still place, put her ducks in where they won't end up slide around. So let me go do that. All right, so slide this to one side here. Oh, and they do have instructions. I did this one time before, so I really don't. I know how to do it. So, but they do have the instructions. Pretty simple. It says remove the rubber dash tray. Use the Phillips head screwdriver, mounting base. Clean. I didn't clean because I'm lazy. Remove tape. And that's it. So says here to use a pair of scissors or your utility knife to carefully trim the dash tray, just like I was end up gonna do. And that's it. So yeah, that's instructions. Get a razor blade. Don't know which one's gonna be sharp or not. Probably none of them. It's usually how it is. Grab a little square. Just grab a small one. I don't need a big one. And let's try to cut this without cutting up a finger. I mean, I have more fingers. And that's that. Looked like it was supposed to be that way. At least in my eyes it is. Okay, rubber piece is back up in there. Let's get all the mounting hardware. Alright, so this stuff here goes on the lock on the mounting ball, like so. Yes, sir. What can I do for you? Supervisors. Always bitching about something. And take the other piece, mount it on this end, and you have tons of adjustment and tons of way to move it. You know, being that it is on a ball mount, it will go all over the place. So pretty simple right there. And then that's just it, dude. Just like that. So take a phone, set it up in there. You can adjust it any way that you want. So, you know, if you want to go out more, put it this way, and then you can bring your phone in, facing it this way. Loosen it up a little bit. Go up and down, side to side. So, I mean, it's got whatever you go higher or lower, go high or low, and you can bring it down like this. I mean, you got all sorts of adjustments, so I mean, it's pretty simple to figure out. So, but that's it. That's how that works. So, pretty simple. Takes about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or however long I've been running my yapper. So, and that's it. We are done. Wife's happy. Doubt if I get any, but she's still happy. So, there you go. Simple as that. So, that was easy. No big deal. That's all I'm going to do for now. I got some other stuff I need to do to her Jeep. Probably won't be inducted later on, but we'll just kind of have to go from there. And maybe I'll make a video of it. I'm bad for doing that, but I'm going to try to do better. But anyway, that's it. Thanks, y'all. See you later.